I could convert this to mobile. So you could see it just automatically adjusted to be the size. So that'll be our width. So it represents mobile. Yeah, so nice. So you can see everything has squashed right now, and that's a good sign. So now let's take them one by one. So by default, okay, focus on just the margin. So let's make the margin probably 16. Yeah, so you can see it adjusted. Ctrl Z, it adjusted. Let's do the same thing for this. So if I select this, make the margin 16 also. Yeah, I then all I have to do is just change the direction, and then let's hug it. Yeah, and then change the direction of the auto layout to make it vertical. So you can see that was problem is half solved. Let's make it 80%. Let's make it 48. This can come down a little, maybe 40 volts. Okay, this could be 20 is much. Let's make it 16. I'll leave it. Let's leave that. So there's more. So we could adjust the spacing a little. This could be 24 instead. Yeah. So the spacing here, maybe 80 or 48, whichever one you prefer. I think I leave the mockup where it is. I think it looks cool. Yeah. I think Repic is done with this issue. I don't know it's not loading. Alright, so let's go on. So next is do the same thing for here. Adjust the margin to 16. So you can see how I'm adjusting everything just a few seconds. Adjust the direction also. Make it hug. Make this 48 maybe. So you could move this up or down. If you feel it's okay this way, cool. If you prefer it this way, cool. There's no. I think it's better that you just have image flow into text. So you could just bring this up here. Yeah, so you could bring this to probably 36. Bring this to 16. Yeah, just keep adjusting according to how you feel.